state. So today I am gonna prepare the bride of the pulse, that is also called as dal ki dulhan or dal pithi in our local area. So let me introduce the meeza. Here we have red chili powder, turmeric powder, few bay leaves, black peppercorns, cloves, cumin seeds, salt, sun-dried mint leaves, coriander, few baby onions, garlic, chopped ginger, few mint leaves. Here we have red lentil as well as the split lentils, whole wheat flour. This is the ghee clarified butter, and this is the tamarind pulp. So let's start. Firstly, we will add the ghee. Now we will add the cumin seeds. As the cumin seeds start popping, we will saute it a bit. And here we will chop some garlic. Here are some the finely chopped garlic. Firstly, we will add ginger. We will saute it a bit. We don't need to burn the ginger. Now we will add. We'll saute it a bit. At this stage, we have to add few bay leaves, few peppercorns, few cloves. And now, while they are popping, we will chop some onions, finely chopped onions. These are some slices. We will just roughly crush them and add it to the gravy. We will saute it a bit. We don't need to burn the onion, we just have to make this a bit translucent. As it is sauteed a bit, now we will, what we all have to do, that I have this soaked red lentils as well as soaked split lentils. So we will just take it down. Now we all have to do is we have to add 3/4 cup of water. 3/4 cup of water. It may vary in between 3/4 and full 1 cup. Now we have to add few salt, few red chili powder, turmeric, few coriander, very little. Here we are adding red chili powder just to get the enhanced flavor of this pulse. Now we will cook it up for up to 2 whistles. We will cook it up to 2 whistles. Meanwhile, as the pulse is being cooked, we have to prepare a soft dough. So let me remove all this meeza. And let's prepare. Now we will let it rest for a few minutes. Now what we all have to add, a full cup of flour, wheat flour. We will add very little salt, just mix a bit, and we will add water as much as required just to make a soft dough. Now here we can see this is neither so soft nor so hard. So we will keep it for about 5 to 10 minutes just to rest. Now it's time to open it up. Firstly, take out the pressure. Now we will just give it a good mix, light mix. Now we can see the dal is about 80 to 90% cooked. Now this is the right stage where we have to add the tamarind pulp or the tamarind water. So here I added 4 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. Now again we will give it just a good mix, and now let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now all what we have to do, now we have to give the shapes of the bride. So firstly, we will roll it up. Now what we all have to do is to cut roundels, circle shapes. If you have the cookie cutter, then you can go for it. But I am not having cookie cutter right now, so I am using this. A small glass having a medium size of diameter. So what we all have to do is to take out the shapes. Now I have three options. Like we can make three shapes. I have prepared three. First one is this. Look like a duck. This is a four shaped like a starfish, and this curls. So firstly I will teach you how to prepare these curls. So let's keep them aside. Just dip it in a dry flour with a light hand. Just elongate the shape. Now we will drop our fingers in water and roll it on the sides. Now you can see that I am sticking the four corners together like this, and here we have the four faced bride. Now the second one, curls. Now what you all have to do is just focus here. Firstly, do it like this, just half the circle and bend it from the center and just stick them here and from the downward side here. Here it is, the curls. Now the third one, like a duck. Now what you all have to do is just put some water. Now shape it from the top like the four shape, and now stick these two shapes together and then these two shapes together, and just elongate it from the downward side and just open it. Here is the duck shape. Now ideally, as you can see that here, this is in the larger quantity because this is the ideal shape which goes in the dal ki dulhan or dal piti. So this is the ideal shape, and now this is the time to put them in the gravy of the pulses. Like as you can see that the consistency, it's a flowing consistency, watery. So here we go. Pack it up and wait for a single whistle. Now we will just give it a rest of 1 to 2 minutes. Switch off the gas. Meanwhile, we will make roundel. We will take out the roundels of onion as fine as possible. Here we go. We have some sliced ginger, juliennes of ginger. Now we have the curd, beaten curd for the garnish. Now what all we have to do, just take them out. It's done. Here is it. It's time to decorate now. And finally, sprinkle a bit red chili powder and cumin powder, roasted cumin powder basically, with some sun-dried mint leaves. And here is my recipe of Dal Ki Dulhan, the bride of the pulses. Here it is.